Hello friends, welcome to a new project in which we will build a simple web app that searches a JSON file and it will contain details of the Indian states. So it uses the fetch API, async await, regex and a higher order array method. So we will learn all of them. So the JSON can be found here in my GitHub. I will paste it in the video link. So this I only have created it by referring Wikipedia. So it contains all of the Indian states. So we'll use that, and we're going to use a bootstrap framework. Means it's like a theme, this cyborg theme which we are going to use. So with using this bootstrap.com we can get these cool themes by which we can quickly create our project. We just have to download it like this. So we can download anything, like I have downloaded this, and then we can use it in our project. So it's okay. Why it is showing it like this? Okay, let me take it back. We are okay with the mobile view actually. Yeah, it is okay now. So let us go ahead and create our project. So for that, mkdir, I am in my terminal. You can do it through anywhere, means directly you can create a folder also like this. So Indian state search I will do, then I'll cd into it, and then I will create 4 files. So I can create files through touch. So just empty files, index.html, tiles.css, main.js, and I want another file. It is states.json. Let me create them. Then I will start my code, Visual Studio Code. So all these things you can do for not from the terminal, just from Windows also. If you are using a Windows, so they're just easy. Just create a folder, then create these files, and then open it with Visual Studio Code. So let me minimize it because we don't need it anymore. I don't want this big. Let me use my split. Yeah, so it is like this. Let me increase my size of this so that you can view it well. And in my so first let me paste this state data which I have just downloaded it. So no, I have not downloaded it, it is here. So I can copy paste it. I'm not getting the raw here. It's okay, not an issue. So I'll copy paste this, and style.css, it will have that bootstrap thing which we had downloaded. So in style.css I'll paste it and see it got paste. And all this is a minified version, so I have saved it. Let me close it. We don't need it anymore. But we should know what is that. This is an array, and this have got objects containing all Indian states name, abbreviation, their capitals, latitude and longitude. So this abbreviation is the short form of the state also, and the vehicle number also. In India, every state have a different vehicle number. So this is the vehicle number also for that state, and all the data are accurate as of today because some things keep on changing. So this is the latest data. So after that, what we are going to do, let us go to our index.html, and then just as usual I will do this not and then press on tab, so it will open this. Let me close it now, and now this document I can give Indian states capitals, and then link of styles.css, and I will have another thing, font awesome, also included in this project, so that you can get from any CDN this font awesome link. And I'm using 5.14.0. You can use anything else also, but it should be more than 5, so that is generally preferred because a bit of syntax are different. So beside this, so let's go ahead and create. Okay, one more thing, let me start my live server. So as you know, I use live server in most of my projects. So live server, yeah, so this is, nothing is there in the body, but it is black. This means my goods watch is running perfectly. So after that, let me go here and div dot container dot mt5. I'm using bootstrap classes here, and this is the shortcut, so it will create two classes of, oh, the spelling is wrong, container and mt5. So I'm again using the shortcut of emit, div dot class name dot, and if there are two class names, then again I will give dot and press tab. Then div dot row I will give, and then div dot call and the 6, and I want two classes, so m auto, so like this. Then I want s3 dot text center dot mb3, and we have included this font awesome. For one thing, we just wanted one icon from font awesome, so that will be I dot fast dot fa laptop code. You can use anything, any font awesome here, or if you want, you don't want font awesome, don't use anything, use your own icon or don't use it. So Indian states lookup, we save it. Yeah, it is coming, it's cutting a bit. Let me do like this. Yeah, now it is okay. So now what we are going to do after this h3, we will have if dot form group. We're giving form group because we're going to have an input tag inside it. Input dot form control dot form control lg. Yeah, I want like this. Let me have id also, id equal to search. So these are bootstrap classes, this both of them are required for that. Let me have some more thing like placeholder equal to enter state name or vehicle code dot. Let me save it, and I got my input box. And then after that, all of the logic, all the states, see what we are going to do is search for a state and its detail will be shown here, found at JSON. So what we are going to do, div what we will have just a div here, and this div will render everything, and for it to render everything we need JavaScript. So this ends here. So before the body end, let us have this script src main.js. so let me save it, and main.js we can open now, and now let do some get element by id search equal to document dot get element by id, and what id? Search. So what is this search? Search is this input box. So search, then const match list equal to document dot get element by id, match list. So this match list, this match list we are getting this one. So get element by id we are getting this match list, and then we are going to have a function. First let us have a event listener, add event listener. This search we are adding an event listener to it, and we are adding the event listener where when the user inputs something to it, then what it will do. So we are using arrow function, and it will do a search states search dot value. So search dot value, whatever is the value entered here, it will go. So now let us create this search state const search states. We are again using arrow functions, and we are going to use async also. Async search text, because we are going to use await inside. So we are making async search text, then const res equal to await fetch states dot json. So we are using the await here to get the fetch. So instead of getting it from here, you can get from outside also. So the concept will be same. If there is API call, you will do the API call. So we have the states here, JSON is here. So it can be outside also, not an issue. Then after that, const states equal to await res dot json. Let's see what it is coming. Console.log states. Save it. Let me inspect. Open my console, and I just have to type something here, so it will come. Let me type m. So m I am typing, all 36 are coming. So filter is right now we have not implemented. So all of my data is coming when I am typing something. So let's move ahead, and now what we will do, we will add the logic for the filters, because we don't want everything to come. When we type m, only the states which starts with m should come, not all the 36 things. So this 36 things concerns all the states and the union territory of India. So let us go ahead and I don't want this right now. So let matches equal to states. We are using the filter. If we want to, we don't want everything and we want to filter, then we can use a filter. So this states dot filter state, and we are going to use the regex here. Const regex, anything you can take, new reg expression, and what it is starting with. So this is a very simple regular expression, which means that it should start with this search text. Search text is what, which we are getting from here, search value, whatever we type it, like M is the search text right now. So where it starts with the search text, comma GI, global and ignore case. G means global, I means ignore case. Then it should return state dot name dot match, not matches, match, states dot name dot match, because see, this is the name. So states dot name dot match we are doing, and reg x. So regex we are passing, and we are passing using the match. Again, one thing which is available with JavaScript, this match function, to match it. So or state dot abbr. So we are iterating to all the states and checking this abbr. This abbr I told, which is the vehicle number or the short form of the state, abbr dot match reg x. So let me do console.log matches. So let me save it. And now again let me do a M. GI is not defined. Oh, I made a small mistake. This is this, like this. Let me save it. Now again let me enter M. Only 5 states are coming. See, whichever states with Maharashtra and this 5 state which starts with M, or the ABR starts with M, they are only coming. But there is a issue in that, in this. See, if I delete it, it gives me the 36 states back. So when there is nothing, I should not get the 36 states back. So for that, if search text dot length triple equal to 0, then this matches will be equal to an empty array. Save it. And 5 states, remove it, nothing, only this empty one is it is coming. So it is working fine. So now we will pass this output to another function, so where through which we are going to show. So let me pass this matches instead of console.log. Let me remove it, and output HTML I will write, and then here const output HTML equal to matches if matches dot length is greater than 0. See, we have to consider this case also. So matches dot length is greater than 0, then const html equal to matches dot map. Well, looping through it, match, we can give any name here. So we are going to use backticks, this ES6 string format, and then we have to type some code, div code. So we are going to output the HTML from here itself. So let us type it, div class equal to card body mb1 div h4 let's stop it. Inside this emit doesn't work, so we have to type everything manually. So again, match dot, we are giving the name first, and then match dot abbr. Then inside the h4 we will have another span class equal to text primary, close it, span, and then it will be match dot capital span. Yeah, everything is right. Yeah, everything is right. And then after that, small tag, we will have a small tag. It will contain our lat match dot lat long dot long small tag will end, and then after that we will join it. Let me have a console also to check, see what it is coming. Console dot log html, if everything is right. So let me go here again, yeah, see, it is coming right. See, let me do one more thing, see this Maharashtra, this is coming. So this is coming perfectly. So what we need to do, we need to just use this match list, which is our this div which is here. Let me close it now, which is here, and we have to update it. So it is very easy to update it. What we are going to do, let me remove it, and match list dot inner html equal to html. Let me do this, and if everything is right, our thing will work, and it's not working. So there is a small error from my side in the index.html. Because of it, it was not working. See, we have done document.getElement by id match list, but what we had given here we have given it as a class. So it is not a class, it's a id. Let me save it. Now let me see whether it is working. So let me start yeah, it is working. Maharashtra, it is working, but let me remove it. See, this is the issue right now. So again, this issue is coming because this, so when the length is 0, then also it is keeping it whatever the search was there initially. So what we have to do, when the length is 0, then the match list dot inner html equal to this empty string. Let me save it, and again we'll go here, image, and see nothing is there. So this completes our project. See you in the next project. Thank you.